Autonomous Siddipet, Department of English. And the title of our project is Confusing Words in Written Communication with special reference to the students of Government Degree College Autonomous Siddipet. And our group involves Sidra Noor, S. Pallavi, I. Manisha, G. Sharon, Mohammad Arif and A. Amrut. And our mentor is G. Balakishan Sir, Assistant Professor of English at Government Degree College Autonomous Siddipet. Coming to the introduction, the key to learning English is vocabulary. Vocabulary simply implies learning spellings, usage, pronunciation and right communication. As you might have observed, our English language has so many confusing words which sound alike but the spellings are entirely different, like the words effect, dairy, dairy, desert, desert. As you can see, the spellings are similar but the meaning and the pronunciation is same. Accuracy of English depends on the usage of right word at a right place for conveying a right meaning. And as rightly said by Winston Churchill, right word in its right place shines like a jewel in a crown. And the next part will be continued by G. Sharon.
I am Sharon. My part is need further study. It is observed that many students and speakers of English are confused with the spellings and some usage of words. It is observed in many places like answer scripts, paper presentations, spoken communications, essay writings, etc. It is noticed in both oral and written communication also. English is our non-native language and it is full of confusion words that spell differently but sound are alike. The need of doing this project is to avoid the confusion among the students. And next, review of literature. We observe some errors in answer scripts, research projects. We observe some spelling mistakes in advertisements, social media, TV programs and errors frequently made by speakers in spoken communication. The next part will be continued by Manisha.
I am Manisha. My part is aim of the project to overcome confusion with the spellings and usage of words, homonyms and homophones, to create awareness about the importance of right word in right place, to develop right communication, written and oral. And the next part will be continued by Pallavi.
Methodology adaptation. We adopted a methodology called survey methodology while conducting this research. Next, research methodology. Various kinds of written exercises are given to students of both backgrounds, Telugu and English medium, and we compare them. These competitions are conducted. Questionnaires applied to the students of both backgrounds. Next, questionnaires. This is a model of questionnaires which we supply to the students of both backgrounds. Here we can see there are so many examples. This is a model of exercises which we are given to the students. Here we can take one example like, do you know who is the Chief Justice of India? Instead of using this no, if you use this no, total meaning of the sentences will be changed. And next, data analysis. From the above questionnaires, we collected data and we analyzed it on both backgrounds. For our analyzation, we came to know that 50% of students are facing this problem while answering correct. And mostly, Telugu background students are confusing. And we analyzed the results of quiz competitions which we conducted in our college. It is also shown that students are getting confused while spelling the word properly. From the above analysis, we constructed a hypothesis that will be explained by Mohammad Arif.
My name is Mohammad Arif and my part is hypothesis. Opportunity must be created in classroom as well as beyond the classroom. Focus on homonyms and homophones. Practice sessions are necessary on homonyms and homophones. Next finding. Most of the Telugu background students require additional efforts to overcome the problems of confused words. They need more focus and curriculum should be changed to some of exclude. Teaching and learning methods should be changed. A learner must own the responsibility of acquiring skills. Next part will continue by Amrut.
So as we come down to conclusions, it is clear that based on our survey, undergraduate students of our college are facing some serious trouble in learning English. The reason is being that it is non-native language as well as lack of proper learning resources. So in order to tackle the problem, we have come up with some straightforward solution. It is to create some exposure and opportunities towards written and spoken communication. It is not about using English as words, it's about understanding English in real life situations. So from now on, our next slide suggestions will be taken over by Ms. Sidra.
So coming to the suggestions, well-equipped language labs should be provided in the colleges so that the students can have the opportunity to learn and improvise their vocabulary. And additional hours should be provided for the English classes. And opportunities beyond the classroom must be created, and activity-oriented programs must be organized in the colleges. And while it comes to teaching English language, interactive mode of learning should be adopted. And just like any other project, we do have some limitations like constraints of time, teaching methods. Thank you.